up. Back up. Ow, ow, ow. Ow! Aww. What? Do you want the camera that bad? What? I'm pretty sure my camera does not like being beaten up. Oh, you're tired. You're fighting your sleep though. Oh, come on. It's 11 o'clock at night. Let's go to bed. You've been picking on me all night, dude. Just close your eyes and go to sleep. No, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna bite your finger off. Up, 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 up. Say, homie, I'm just kidding. Ow, 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 I'm not a stick. Ow, Thumper, ow. You can bite my hand, but you can't bite my arm. Take it to another level when you do that. You're gonna scratch my lens. Baby, you're gonna scratch my lens. Little poopy? Little poopy? What you gonna do about it? I can abuse you with love. What? You wanna go? My lovely baby. Thumper, be nice to my camera. It's all like a left on me. It's all like a left on me. You wanna go? Do you wanna go? Oh. And there goes Poopy Longstocking. Oh. Whoa. Come on, come on. Stop chewing on my bed. You're gonna stop chewing on my bed. My bed is not a chew toy. Oh! Ouch! Oh, jeez, you are really fast. Oh, gosh. Oh, my God. You gonna get it? You gonna get it? You wanna play with your tail? I see how it is. I see how it is. I see. Oh, my silk blanket. Oh, how could you, Thumper? know, you're not much of a man. You are just a scrawny, ornery little punk. Jeez, dude. I'm lucky I have the covers on me. Go. Oh. Jeez. Take a chill pill, dude. It's like 11 o'clock. We need to go to sleep. Oh my. It's shameful, but I have to admit that is my cat.